The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bastrop County, western Lee County, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Elgin, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Elgin, Bastrop, Giddings, Smithville, Fedor, Page, Camp Swift, Circle D, KC Estates, Cedar Creek, Wildwood, Upton, Weberville, Knott Springs, Felon, Bastrop State Park, Hills Prairie, Northrop, Cedar Hills, Buescher State Park and Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Double header, oh my god. Here we go again. Another one, double header, wow.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hayes County, northwestern Travis County, Blanco County, southwestern Burnett County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lago Vista to near Blowout, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marble Falls, Dripping Springs, Blanco, Round Mountain, Horseshoe Bay, Johnson City, Pflugrath, Spicewood, Blowout, Sandy, Rocky Creek, High, Cypress Mill, Henley, Peyton, Pedernales Falls State Park, Driftwood, Smithwick, LBJ State Park, and Briar Cliff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across southeast Llano and southern Burnett counties. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay.
A tornado warning remains.
Another double header.